Hey everyone, this is Rüzgar from LeadShark, and today I want to show you a few things about our lead magnet pages. So a page is essentially an email gated page that asks for people's email address before they get directed to your resource. So basically, if you email gate a lead magnet link, it can ask people a few questions to pre-qualify them whether they are ICP or not. It's very simple. There's no guesswork involved. It's basically asking people a few questions. It's like a quiz funnel. So basically now you can customize your pages by adding your company logo, colors, as well as native integrations with ConvertKit and Beehive. Here you are seeing an example of one of my pages that has a custom design for intervals, as well as a connection to directly to my Beehive newsletter actually. So you can create as many pages as you want in the Pro Plus plan for every single lead magnet, or you can just create one page and reuse it across multiple lead magnets as well, if you don't need to customize it each time. And you can add, as I mentioned, quiz questions, email, and a few other basic questions like name, phone number. And now, as you can see, you can also customize it by adding your company's logo and colors to the page as well. And you can hide the LeadShark watermark so they're simply a hosted page before people get directed to your lead magnet resource. And yeah, lastly, you can see the performance of all of your links, how many emails were captured. You can export all of the data, and you can connect them to other sources like Clay or other enrichment sources directly by using the email capture webhook. And you can pass the emails that we capture to external sources as well. So that, in a nutshell, is the page's functionality. It will see some improvements in the next few months as well, namely the conditional follow-ups, as well as smart calendar links that we will send to high ICP fit leads, your calendar accessibility as well. So that, in a nutshell, is the page's functionality. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.